Assalamualaikum, welcome to Farm and Form. Today we will discuss what are the ALPA filters. All of you are familiar with the HEPA filters, but very few of you are familiar with the ALPA filters. So if you do not know about the ALPA filters and want to learn all about the ALPA filters, must watch the complete video, because in this video we will discuss what are the ALPA filters, what is their application, what is their pore size, how they are constructed, and what are the drawbacks of the ALPA filters, and what is their efficiency. So if you are new to our channel, first of all press the subscribe button, and now let's start our video. ALPA, ULPA, ALPA filters. ALPA filters and HEPA filters both are the last line of defense filters which are used for the maintenance of the clean room status. So ALPA, ULPA stand for ultra low particulate air filters. Mean ALPA filters are more efficient than HEPA filters. How they are more efficient? They are more efficient in terms of removal of the particle size, but they also have a drawback. What is the drawback of the ALPA filters apart from having so much efficient? We will discuss the drawback at the end of this video. So I hope you are familiar. Now the abbreviation of ALPA filters, it is ultra low particulate air filters. So what is their application? ALPA filters are very rarely used in pharmaceutical industries, and more precisely, if we talk about, they are not used in clean rooms of the pharmaceutical industries, but they are used for the clean rooms where more precise or more sensitive electronic circuits are manufactured, like semiconductors or microelectron chips are prepared. So ALPA filters are used in ISO class 3. You are familiar that in pharmaceutical industries our clean rooms start from ISO class 5. So ALPA filters are used for the maintenance of clean room status of ISO class 3. What is their pore size of ALPA filters? Most commonly asked interview question. The pore size of ALPA filter is 0.12 micron. Mean 0.12 micron is the pore size of ALPA filters. How ALPA filters are constructed, or what is the material of construction of ALPA filters? ALPA filters are constructed from the strands of borosilicate glass microfibers. They are densely arranged. Mean the material of construction for HEPA and ALPA filters is same. The difference is that in the ALPA filters, these borosilicate glass fibers are more dense as compared to the HEPA filters. Next one is the efficiency of ALPA filters. Efficiency of ALPA filters is very high. They can remove the particles of 0.12 micron and above, and at the rate of efficiency level of 99.999%. Next one is the types of ALPA filters. There are three types of ALPA filters: U15, U16 and U17. Next one is the drawbacks of the ALPA filter. One of the most common drawback of ALPA filter is drop in pressure. Mean when air pass through the ALPA filters, a drop in air pressure is observed, due to which our air changes are reduced. So to achieve the required level of air changes, we have to increase the dimension or surface area of the ALPA filter. Due to the denser arrangement, more energy is required to push the air through ALPA filters. So ALPA filters containing HVAC consume more energy, and due to all of these, the cost of ALPA filters is very high. Next one is the lifespan of the ALPA filter. Lifespan of ALPA filter is short as compared to HEPA filters, and it last from 5 to 8 years. So it was all about a brief overview of alpha filters. Share it to others, subscribe my channel, also visit my website farminform.com. If you want to learn the difference between alpha filters and HEPA filters, must mention in the comment box. I will record a separate video on the difference between HEPA filters and alpha filters. Till the next video, Allah Hafiz.